This has just found its way onto the Anfield pitch. Can it find its way off again? Brad Friedel shepherding the feline in the right direction. Please don't do anything you shouldn't be doing. No. Well, he's not leaving, that's for sure. How on earth does a cat get into a football stadium?
It's not Kenny's, is it?
Well, it's not black, so it's not going to bring him any luck anyway. Well, he's had to deal with a few unusual things tonight. Bit of fog, Mr. Oliver. He went all the way to the top row of seats in the Kop to make sure the fans up there could see clearly. Nicely done by the stewards.